weBoost Home Studio Honest Review. The cell signal booster that finally fixed my dead zone. Ever tried making an important call from home only to watch it drop mid-sentence? Last week, I was on a client call, pacing near the window like some kind of signal-hunting archaeologist, and still lost the connection completely, frustrating beyond words. If your home feels like a cellular black hole, you already know this pain intimately. Sound familiar? The brain fog sets in when you cannot trust your own phone inside your own home. You have tried standing near windows, rebooting constantly, even considering switching carriers entirely. Nothing sticks. Texts fail silently, calls vanish into digital oblivion without warning. There has to be a calmer and smarter way to fix this without ripping out walls, right?
Then everything changed when I found the weBoost Home Studio. Don't just pick any cell phone signal booster. Make sure it has automatic gain control, so you never waste time on frustrating oscillation problems that literally everyone complains about again. Here is what surprised me. I unboxed it on a Saturday morning, mounted the outdoor antenna on my window, connected the cables, and plugged it in. 20 minutes total. My phone jumped from 1 bar to 4 bars immediately. The weBoost Home Studio boosts 4G LTE and 5G signals for every major carrier, including Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile simultaneously. It covers up to 2,000 square feet under ideal conditions. The automatic smart technology adjusts itself constantly without any intervention. Let me be honest. My home office went from a dead zone where calls dropped constantly to a space where video conferences run smoothly and texts actually send. This is smart engineering finally working for you. Have you measured how much stress bad signal actually costs you daily?
The long-term benefits become obvious within days. Reliable calls mean fewer missed opportunities professionally. Stable data means your work actually gets completed without frustration. One technology publication reported consistent improvements of 2 to 3 bars in real-world apartment testing. A popular tech creator mentioned it genuinely changed their daily work-from-home experience after 3 months of continuous use. On a major retailer site, a customer shared that it solved their basement office dead zone completely and paid for itself in professional reliability within weeks. Worried about the price compared to cheaper alternatives? Multiple users reported trying budget boosters from other brands first, returning them, and finding the weBoost Home Studio actually worked where others failed completely. The difference in build quality is immediately apparent upon unboxing. Setup takes around 20 minutes with no professional help required. The 30-day money-back guarantee removes all purchasing risk entirely, and there are no monthly fees ever. Imagine 6 months from now when dropped calls become a distant memory and your phone simply works inside your home. What would that peace of mind actually be worth to your daily life? This is the product that earns trust quietly. Picture waking up tomorrow knowing your phone will work flawlessly inside every room of your home. Thousands of homeowners, remote workers, and small business owners already rely on the weBoost Home Studio daily to stay connected without frustration. The transformation is simple: fewer dropped calls, faster data speeds, actual peace of mind in your own space. If you are ready to finally fix your dead zone for good, the link is waiting in the description and pinned comment. Check it out and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.